Hello everyone, I have a product here to share with you all. FamiSym has reached out to me. They sent me this product to try. This is a FamiSym 2-in-1 sound machine and nightlight. This machine is specifically made for babies to help them sleep better. And I do believe that it can help adults sleep better. Now for me, I do have trouble sleeping at night, and I do need to hear a little sound to help me sleep. I've taken it out of the box. It has a little pamphlet here. It is a nice, compact, pleasing to the eye unit with some very simple controls on the top. It does come with a USB cable so that you can recharge it. Once you charge it, it runs about 15 hours on one charge, so you don't have to charge it that much. So let me share with you all the features of this machine, such as the sounds and the lights. I am loving this sound machine already, especially with the beautiful colors. So if you need this machine for you, your baby, or your children, there will be a special discount code, and the code will last June 15th through November the 30th, 2024. Be sure to check them out. Get yours today.